Hello dear friends, have you ever wanted to install an application and faced to this error? Your device isn't compatible with this version. If yes, I think this video can help you. So let's start the video. First, I should say there are lots of other solutions in other videos that you need to watch them first. For example, update your Play Store, update your Android version, reinstall your Play Store, clean Play Store cache, and lots of other solutions that you need to try them first. But if you try all of them and your problem still doesn't solve, you need to, I think this video can help you. In this video I want to show you how you can install your application manually. You can search your application name in this site, APK Mirror. Here you can find your application and you can download it, then manually you can install it. Here, for example, I want to download this application. In download part, just you need to look for universal version. Universal version will work in your device. Also, you can search your application in this site. This will you will find your application here, or you can install this application, App2 IDE. This is a application center and you can download your application from here, or you can install its application and install them from its app store. Here I download this. Okay, it is downloaded and I'm going to install it. Okay, now here I can search my application in this software center. Okay, as you can see, I can install this application from here easily. Just it needs some permissions and finally it will install it in your device. So if you couldn't solve your problem by this method, you can install your application. Here my application is installed and I can use this now. Okay, it's done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful and watch the other videos. Thanks.